Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the memorial of Saint John Mary Vianney, a priest, patron saint of all priests, especially the parish priests. Mga kapatid, sa ating ebanghelyo po ngayon, narinig natin ang kwento ng pagpaparami ng tinapay o the multiplication of loaves or the feeding of 5,000 people. And this story must have been very important because it is narrated in all four Gospels. The context of our Gospel reading is Jesus heard about the death of his relative John the Baptist. And so he wanted to be by himself. He wanted to grieve. And so he planned to go to a secluded place, but people came to know where Jesus would go, and so they went to the place on foot, and they arrived earlier than Jesus. And so when Jesus arrived to the place where he wanted to be by himself, he saw a large of people, so many people. And so according to our gospel reading today, he had compassion on them. And so Jesus set aside again of himself, his feelings, his need, and he went and took care the needs of other people. And then in the gospel sa araw na ito, nagtatakip silim, ay nais ng mga alagad ng Panginoon na pauwiin na lamang sila kasi it is the practical way. Wala silang makakuha ng pagkain. But Jesus told them, there's no need to send them away. You give them something to eat. And I think this is a good reflection for us. Give them something to eat. You yourselves, give them something to eat. And this reminds us of our own giftedness, that we are all gifted and we have the power to give something to other people. And there should be no room for greediness, for selfishness, dahil pinapaalala sa atin ng Panginoon, lahat tayo nabiyayaan, kaya meron tayong kakayanang magbigay. And then Jesus told them, bring them here to me. Well, the disciples realize we are practically helpless. We have little, and what we have is nothing in compared to the needs of these people. But Jesus asked them, bring them here to me. And I think this is a very nice point for all of us also, that in our limitedness, let us not forget the generosity of God, that everything is God's will, that we always offer back to God whatever we have received from Him. At sana ito yung hindi nating makakalimutan na gawin sa buhay natin, na kung ano man ang ipinagkatiwala sa atin ng Diyos ay ibabalik natin sa Kanya sa magitan ng pagdala natin ng ating kapwa sa Diyos. And actually ito yung ministry ng pare. We priests are God's conduits and dispensers of God's grace. And through us, we bring other people hopefully closer to God. And so, if we praise, make people our fan club, then we fail, because our primary role is to bring God's people closer to Him, to our God. And so this is very important, my dear brothers and sisters, that in all the graces that we have received, we have to use them so that we can bring other people closer to the Lord. At the same time, in our acknowledgement of our limitedness, we allow God to make miracles in our weakness, in our wounds, in our limitedness. And let us always believe in the power of the Lord, that He can transform our limitedness, our weakness, our wounds into something greater that can bring other people closer to Him. Kung nagustuhan niyo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, share at mag-subscribe sa Salitawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.